Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Motley Fool. The Motley Fool is a financial investment company dedicated to helping individuals become smarter, happier, and richer. Since its founding, it has provided valuable market insights and stock recommendations. Their mission is to demystify investing, making it accessible for everyone. You'll find a wealth of educational resources and expert analysis to guide your financial journey. Motley Fool offers several premium services, with Stock Advisor being a flagship. This service delivers 2 new stock recommendations each month, emphasizing long-term growth potential. For those seeking more aggressive opportunities, Rule Breakers identifies innovative companies poised for significant expansion. Both services also provide curated lists like Best Buys Now and starter stocks to help you build and manage a diversified portfolio effectively. The core of Motley Fool's strategy is a long-term buy-and-hold approach. They recommend holding stocks for a minimum of 5 years, ideally longer, to allow investments to mature. Diversification is crucial. Aim to invest in at least 25 different companies to spread risk. Consistent investing, even small amounts, and holding through market fluctuations are also vital principles for achieving financial freedom. To maximize your Motley Fool membership, delve into the detailed research reports accompanying each stock pick. These explain the investment thesis, helping you make informed decisions. Participate in the vibrant online community to exchange ideas and learn from fellow investors. Additionally, leverage tools like My Stocks to monitor your portfolio's performance and track relevant news for your holdings, ensuring you stay engaged and informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.